we are going to discuss about some problems related to arithmetic progression. And the type of problem is how to find out the nth term of arithmetic progression. So now let's move to the lesson. Before starting to solve the questions, let's look at the formula. So the formula is Tn, that means the nth term of the AP series is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D, where A is the first term of the series, D is the common difference, and n is the number of terms in the series. So now let's move to the questions. So now this is the first problem and it says that 7, 11, 15, 19 is an AP series. And we have to find out the number of term which is 111. Okay. So the formula was Tn is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay. Now suppose 111 is the nth term. That means Tn is equals to 111. Okay. Now A means the first term. So here the first term is 7. So A is equals to 7. Now we find out the value of n. So we'll put n minus 1. Okay. Now D means the common difference. So if you look at the series, here 11 minus 7 is equals to 4. Similarly 15 minus 11 is equals to 4. 19 minus 15 is equals to 4. So the common difference is 4. Okay. Now we'll solve this equation. So it will be n minus 1 into 4 is equals to 111 minus 7. That means 104. Okay. Now if we solve this question, then n minus 1 is equals to 104 by 4, which gives 2 and 6, that means 26. So here n will be 26 plus 1 is equals to 27. So that means here 111 is the 27th term of this series. So this is the answer of this question. Here 27 is the answer. Now the second problem says the fifth term is 41 and the 11th term is 20. So then what will be the first term and the common difference of this AP series? So now let's solve this question. Suppose the first term is A and the common difference is D. Okay. So then as the fifth term is 41, so we can write 41 is equals to A plus 5 minus 1 into D. That means 41 is equals to A plus 4D. Okay. Similarly, as the 11th term is 20, so we can write 20 is equals to A plus 11 minus 1 into D. So it will be 20 is equals to A plus 10D. Okay. Now we'll solve this two equation to get the value of D. So how do you solve this? From the first equation we'll get A is equals to 41 minus 4D. Similarly, from the second equation we get A is equals to 20 minus 10D. So if we compare these two, that means 41 minus 4D is equals to 20 minus 10D. Will get 10D minus 4D. here we take this 10d left hand in the left hand side and we'll write 20 minus of 41. So it gives 6d is equals to minus of 21. Okay, so that means d is equals to minus of 21 by 6. So it will be minus of 7 by 2. So d is equals to minus of 7 by 2. Now we'll put the value of d in the first equation or the second one. We can put the value of d in this one or this one. So I choose here this equation. Okay. So now a is equals to 20 minus 10d and the value of d is minus of 7 by 2. So it gives 20 plus 35, that means is equals to 55. Okay, so you can see that the first term is 55 and the common difference is minus of 7 by 2. I think all of you have understand that how to find out the nth term of an AP series using this formula. So that's it for this lesson. We'll meet you in the next lesson with some various other problems. Till then, keep learning, keep growing. Thank you so much.